Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we are going to be making pesto chicken. Let's start by prepping all the vegetables. First, dice about half of a bell pepper. Today, as you see, I am using red. Next, dice half of an onion. I'm using a yellow onion as always. It's hard to find button mushrooms here in Korea, so I'm using king oyster mushrooms. If you have button mushrooms, those work great too. I'm dicing 2 king oyster mushrooms, which is about the same as 4 button mushrooms. Now, let's dice about 1/3 of a large carrot. And finally, mince 3 cloves of garlic. I have learned over the years that smashing them makes it a lot quicker to mince. Alright, now let's season our chicken well with salt and pepper on each side. I'm serving this with rice today, but it also tastes amazing over pasta. For the rice, I am using 3/4 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, about a teaspoon of oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir and start that in the rice cooker. Alright, let's start cooking. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to your pan and toss in the garlic once the oil has heated up and thinned out. Cook it just until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add in the rest of your vegetables. Season again with salt and pepper, and I'm adding a bit of basil too. You can add any of your favorite seasonings here. Sauté everything for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once that is finished, move it all to a bowl and set it aside. To cook the chicken, we will add about a teaspoon of oil to the pan and place the chicken in once the oil has thinned out. Cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Then, add a small chunk of butter to help it get the nice golden brown color. This chicken breast is pretty thick, and I want that perfect crispy texture with every bite. So after 10 minutes, I butterfly it to thin it out and cook for another 4 minutes to get the middle just right. When the chicken is done, take it out for a moment so we can make the sauce. Add the vegetables back to the pan along with 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of pesto. Stir everything well and cook for about 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it's nice and creamy, put the chicken back in to soak up all that flavor. And that's it! A quick and delicious dinner that's perfect over pasta or rice. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today, and if you tried this recipe, I'd love to hear how your version turned out. As always, have an amazing day or night wherever you are watching from, and I will see you next time.